Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to New Fantasyland and the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train dedication. Now, please welcome our special honorees, Doc, Happy, Sleepy, Sneezy, Bashful, Grumpy, and Dopey, the Seven Dwarfs.
So now, I think it's time to dedicate this great new attraction, which I'm excited to say will be fully open to our guests on May 28th. I know, I don't want to wait that long either. But, so guys, I think you're going to agree with me that there's really only one person we can ask to help us do the honors here. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our very own Snow White. On behalf of all of us at Disney Parks and Resorts, it's an honor to dedicate the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train in New Fantasyland.
A timeless land where magic lives, imagination soars, and dreams always come true. Well, shall we? Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us for this celebrated occasion.